You may have noticed in our recent videos that we have a shiny new studio to shoot in. However, today's product is so big that we've had to leave the studio and head to our northern office just so we could unbox it. This is the Hisense U7NQTUK 100-inch 4K mini LED TV. Let's have a look. This absolute beast from Hisense features an incredible 100-inch screen, which is pretty much guaranteed to turn your living room into a home cinema. But it's not just about the size. A real game changer here is the mini LED technology. So rather than just one giant LED panel shining through the pixels, mini LEDs give you hundreds of individual dimming zones, which coupled with Hisense's High-View Engine Pro at its heart, vastly improves lighting control, contrast, detail, and color definition, basically giving you a fantastic picture. Now, what's the point of a giant screen without sound to match? With Dolby Atmos decoding, this TV delivers immersive 3D audio. You really can hear every detail from every direction. And when you pair that with the IMAX Enhanced mode, you'll pretty much feel like you're at the cinema, but you know, without the sticky floors and the person behind you kicking the seat. This TV also features Filmmaker mode. Designed in collaboration with filmmakers and studios, Filmmaker mode basically overrides the TV's own motion and picture processing, presenting the correct aspect ratio, color, and frame rate, so just as the filmmakers intended. But it's not just for movie buffs. Gamers, you are in for a serious upgrade too. Hisense's Game Mode Pro on this TV reduces input lag to almost nothing, just 8 milliseconds actually, and with a refresh rate of up to 144 Hz, you get lightning fast responsiveness. The combination of smooth motion and this massive screen size brings your games to life in a way that's hard to describe unless you're actually seeing it in person. It also has VRR, ALLM, and also has AMD FreeSync Premium Pro, so you're pretty much future-proof for all your latest consoles. The TV has two HDMI 2.1 inputs, two HDMI 2.0 inputs, it has eARC compatibility, and there's also a digital optical output, as well as your usual USB inputs. Hisense are one of the few manufacturers at the moment using the innovative Freely TV system, which offers a free-to-view service with a blend of live TV channels and catch-up content. The service lets you view live content such as BBC, ITV, Channel 4, etc., as well as accessing the usual free catch-up TV apps. Freely also allows you to pause live TV, as well as restarting programs on certain channels. With just an internet connection required, there's no need for an aerial or an external satellite dish, making the service ideal for households across the country. So there you go, the Hisense 100U7NQTUK is a real showstopper of a TV. It gives you all the best parts of a large screen TV with the picture size and immersion that you get from something like a traditional projector. If you'd like to know more about the Hisense, why not contact your local Rich Sound store today? If you need to know where your local store is, click the link, and if you'd like to see more content like this, why not consider subscribing to the channel? Thanks for joining me for this video, I'll see you on the next one, bye bye.